And this is the upgrade actually. Apparently
this and वो feeling आता है ना कि यार तेरे पास Indian passport है, you're not that important. We felt that they were rude to us. They were not welcoming and nice to us. So they just stopped us out of nowhere, and it was Turkish police.
Yeah. So these are some of our first impressions.
Yeah, Turkish चाय पे Turkish चर्चा.
Yeah.
तो हम
So
अभी
first of all,
हम कल आए.
कल
आए. ऐसा नहीं है कि आते ही हम जज कर रहे हैं या फिर हमारा वर्डिक्ट दे रहे हैं. दिस इज हमारा ये दूसरा दिन है, ठीक है.
करेक्ट.
तो वी आर ऑफ इंडियन नेशनैलिटी. ऑफ कोर्स अगर आप हिंदी में देख रहे हो तो यू नो दैट still clarifying Indians. We are of Indian nationality. We hold a Indian passport. And आते टाइम of course it was nice and handy and dandy. वीज़ा लेने के लिए कोई दिक्कत नहीं आया. वीज़ा was fine. पर जब हम यहाँ पे लैंड हुए तो जो पासपोर्ट चेक करते, पासपोर्ट ऑफिस जो होता है जहाँ पे पासपोर्ट चेक करते हैं आपका, he literally had a very weird look to both of us. कि like oh you have a Indian passport, you know. And हम frequently travel करते हैं by the way.
Yeah.
ऐसा नहीं है कि हम पहली बार ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं और पहला जो हमारा स्टैम्प है वो
We have a travel history.
Yeah, we have a travel history. We've been to Dubai, we've been to Singapore. He has been to almost a lot of countries. So ऐसे नहीं है कि एकदम कुछ travel history नहीं है, मुंह उठा के आ गए. We have a travel history. They do check कि आपका travel history है या नहीं. फिर भी the moment they saw our passport, they were like, oh, Indian passport. So जो foreign में हमारा डंका बज रहा है नहीं बज रहा है, for those who think we are a frequent travelers, नहीं बज रहा है guys. तो यहाँ पे लैंड होते ही they had this look of oh you have an Indian passport. And because we have brown skin, right? We look Indian. We do not look like foreigners. We do not have a white skin. तो वहाँ पे हम मेट्रो स्टेशन में थे and I love cats. So I saw a cat. She was very fluffy, cute, and I was taking videos of her, which is a very normal thing tourists do.
Yeah.
Like they take videos of things they like or they see which
and
are.
she loves cats.
Yeah, and I was.
That's very normal.
And I was clearly taking videos of cat. So they just stopped us out of nowhere, and it was Turkish police, right? They asked us for our passports. And
click the
image. I don't know if that is legal or not to take. If police, I'm not talking about passport checkers or passport or officers who do this on airports. Airports ka of course they need to do it for security reasons, but on a metro station a police officer, he was not immigration officer or something which is a regular thing for them, which is an obvious thing for them. This is not an obvious thing. Police do not click pictures. They can verify, they can check, but I don't know if it is legal or not. You can correct me if I'm wrong, but he clicked pictures of our passports.
I sent it to someone, I don't know.
We don't know who, but because he was a person of authority, we did not question him. बिकॉज हम फॉरेन लैंड पे है और हमें कुछ मसला नहीं चाहिए, तो हमने कुछ पूछा नहीं उनसे कि क्यों कर रहे हो, क्या कर रहे हो. उन्होंने पूछा पासपोर्ट का, हमने पासपोर्ट दिखाया, उन्होंने फोटोज खींचा, हमने कुछ नहीं बोला, एंड वी वेंट आवर मेरी वे, राइट. तो पहले होटल में हम रुके थे फेयरमाउंट में, क्वासेर में. अमेजिंग ट्रीटमेंट,
right from the entrance of the hotel.
और वहाँ पे we met a tourist, a local. तो हम he could see we were struggling on the pavement to
he was a security guy. He basically
no he was a local.
Who?
The guy who said ऊपर.
Oh.
So he guided us clearly कि guys you're not supposed to go from here, you can like take a ये, and then वहाँ पे एक security guy मिले, उन्होंने बोला कि आप नीचे जाओ. So it was very nice. हम enter करने के बाद भी also they were very sweet and nice. पूरा stay of Fairmont
एक
amazing.
नंबर था.
And we checked out like 2 hours or so ago, and we checked in to Sofitel. Now Sofitel as a brand, it's a French brand, right? It's a French brand. It's not a Turkish brand. It's a French brand. It's an international brand. it's not a local brand where we can expect ki हाँ ठीक है, you know, we have some political or geographical or rather political you know, issues between two countries of Turkey and India. But we are not staying in a local hotel. We are staying at a French hotel. It's an international, well-known brand Sofitel. We checked in.
And we have stayed at Dubai.
Yeah.
Before.
You know,
But
Sofitel
there
का
basically
experience था बहुत अच्छा.
अलग-अलग nationalities थे. So that's why it didn't matter much because the one who checked out he was also
Indian, right?
So ऐसे issues ही नहीं आए.
But in Turkey, my heart is still pounding like really fast. The looks they are giving us. We are not wearing any weird clothes. I'm completely covered head to toe.
Also, this is not a normal room, huh?
Yeah, it's a
This is one of the suite.
suite. Yeah, it's a suite. Like it's
It's
a
not a
junior
normal
suite.
room.
It's not a cheap room, guys. We've paid money to stay here. They are not paying us to stay here. We have paid them for their services, which was really bad. I did not like it. अंदर आते ही warm welcoming तो बहुत दूर की बात है. And in a hospitality industry, you're trained to do that. आप नहीं देख सकते नेशनलिटी को. अगर इंडिया में कोई पाकिस्तानी नेशनलिटी का आ रहा है तो द पुलिस, yes, the passport holders, the passport checker, the immigration officers, yes, they can view you in a different way, but hospitality industry, you can't do that. और आते ही they didn't say anything, but the looks, the way they were talking, warm नहीं था. बहुत ऐसे था कि yeah, whatever, like
अभी जस्ट हमारा लगेज लेके आए वो, तो जस्ट
he just like took,
dragged it and kept it
no,
in the hallway.
he did not keep it. He like did this to the luggage. I don't like it. I did not like it.
कल का जिसने लगेज लेके आया पूरा प्रॉपर उसने पूछा डू यू वांट एडिशनल वो क्या रखने के लिए, लगेज रखने के लिए. फिर वो लगेज रखने के लिए खुद से उसने लगेज उठाया और रखा. इधर तो मतलब
whatever. They had this attitude of like, you know, subtly fuck you.
And we have booked something like called as Millesimi. We have a Millesimi lounge access. At reception उसने हमें basically details बताने चाहिए थे,
दिखाना चाहिए था where we should go, where is it, proper मतलब रूम के डिटेल्स नहीं दिए, होटल के डिटेल्स नहीं, किधर स्विमिंग पूल है, किधर जिम है, एटलीस्ट ब्रेकफास्ट के टाइमिंग क्या है. मैंने बेसिकली ब्रेकफास्ट इज इंक्लूडेड इन आवर मतलब क्या बोलते हैं पैकेज, बट डिटेल्स ही नहीं दी. They were rude. They were very rude. Like they didn't say anything rude per se. जो अगर काउंट होता है कि okay, they said you know, they said racial slurs or something like that. They did not.
But indirectly it
the
appears.
looks and the way they were handling the entire situation, I'm baffled. I'm shaking. I had not had this experience ever in my life. And वो feeling आता है ना कि यार तेरे पास Indian passport है, you're not that important. We felt that really strongly. So the management of Sofitel, this video is in English as well, so I know you can understand it. And the staff you had, you can check our timings. We are staying in room 1107 on date 27th of February 2026, and the timing right now is can you check the time? You have the phone over there. 2 p.m. So we might have checked in at 1:30 a.m. ish. So
1:30
p.m. ish. Whoever the staff you had at this time on this day, you can talk to them. They were rude to us. They were not welcoming and nice to us. When the way they looked at us, the way they talked with us, the way they did not give information at all, the way they just kind of brushed our luggage into our rooms. We had to call them to bring in our luggage. It was just sitting down for around 25 minutes. Usually the hotels do not do this. It's not good. It's not good. So you're a French brand, you're not a Turkish brand, which can, even if you would have been a Turkish brand, this is not what you do in a hospitality industry. And you are a French brand, so please have a check on your staff.
That's what we can
That's all we can say for this video, and thank you. Just know that Indian passport holders are treated like this, and we shouldn't normalize this. Abhi recently Jeju mein jo hua, I don't remember the content creator's name. This is happening a lot, and let's please not normalize this ki yeah, we are Indians, we are supposed to accept it.
Why?
If we are doing any crime and we are treated like that, it's completely obvious. It's their job to do it. But if we are being good tourists, we are not creating any nuisance. If we are being, wearing clothes which are appropriate to your country, we are not talking rudely to you just because we are of Indian origin or we have an Indian passport. You're not supposed to do that to any nationality, not just Indian nationality, to any nationality. And this is not acceptable. This is not okay. And we still have around 4 to 5 days to go in Turkey. We'll see other hotels how they treat Indian passports. But in Sofitel,
actually I thought कि Sofitel में ज़्यादा अच्छा मतलब treatment मिलेगा.
Because it's an international brand, like you don't expect this from an international brand.
We basically visited Fairmont for the first time the last hotel which we
yesterday.
visited. Yeah, this is the first time we visited that hotel brand.
Fairmont.
Sofitel तो second time हम आए हैं, तो we had
in Dubai
ज़्यादा expectations. But let's see now. Let's check the entire, मतलब कल हम और डिटेल्ड में बोल सकते हैं. आफ्टर
अभी हमारा लोकल इंटरेक्शन भी नहीं हुआ है कुछ, क्योंकि कल हम बस आराम ही कर रहे थे, कुछ किया नहीं है वैसे. बट द कैब ड्राइवर हु ड्रोव अस, ही वाज वेरी स्वीट. He had a Indian wife.
He had an Indian wife?
Yeah, that's what he was telling, that my wife is from India. So he had an Indian wife and he was very sweet. He was nice. All the staff in Fairmont was nice. This is our first experience, experiencing racism. He's been to Australia, which is a very sweet country. We've been to Singapore. We've been to Dubai.
Dubai to chumma hai.
Yeah, of course, because a lot of Indians stay there, so they have to be. Their economy runs on Indians. Turkey, I don't know.
Let's see. We cannot.
This is not our final verdict. This is directly directed towards Sofitel, the brand Sofitel, not to Turkey. A little bit towards Turkey because of the police and the passport interaction which we had, but more to Sofitel. This is video to Sofitel of Turkey. This is in Taksim, right? Yeah, Taksim.
Yeah, Taksim.
Let's see. I'll just refreshen up our mood and go for a walk.
Yeah,
we need to go for a walk.
Bye bye.